Hi guys, prepare this healthy summer smoothie with me. Here I have one kiwi, one apple and one avocado. Let's prepare this kiwi together, guys. I've washed my kiwis and I've washed all the ingredients I'm using. We're going to cut the kiwi and bring out the flesh of the kiwi just like this. Just wash your ingredients before using. Yeah, then this is a Kiwi Gold. I like Kiwi Gold because it's a little bit rich and tastes so good. So you can use any kiwi of your choice. Then we go for avocado. I'm making this smoothie for 2 people. Depends if you are making for more people, you can choose to have more things. You can add more kiwi or more avocado or the apple. Okay, so this is for the 2 people. So just cut them. Use your spoon to bring the flesh out. Yeah, so then remaining the apple. So I have to cut the apple. I have to remove the inside of it. Remove it and then cut it. Just this way. So now what will we add? You can add water, you can add whatever you like to prepare your smoothie with, but I'm going to be adding 3.5% fat milk. I add it here. And I will go on and blend. Summer, you can cool down. You can cool the summer down with this kind of smoothie. I'll bring it out. So let's share it now, guys. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, this is so creamy. It is creamy. You see, I made this for the 2 people, but it's more than 2 people, right? Yeah, this is so creamy. I love how creamy this looks. So you go ahead. If you like, you can add your ice to use it to chill, to cool yourself down, guys. This is how you can enjoy this amazing and healthy kiwi, apple and avocado smoothie. Let me know if you like it. Are you going to try it? Try it and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time in our next video. Bye. So join me, let's enjoy it. Watch me as I enjoy it, guys. The ice is falling down. This is so yummy, guys. So yummy.